to continue growing and to continue learning is the principle, right? This is a good time to buckle down on math, buckle down on strategy, buckle down on management, practice lot size and contracts and knowledge on futures, Forex, EAs, legislative kind of things, if I can talk properly. This is a really good time to mitigate some risk. We're coming into summer, volume is leaving. We already know there's still some more turmoil coming with all the platforms and what have you. Let some of the kinks work themselves out. Don't be hyper aggressive or hyper vigilant or hyper emotionally attached. These companies, these people, they're going to come and go. Let's get through this next few months together, learning and growing in our student phase. Let that be this next few months where we kind of buckle down on knowledge and growth, whether that be mentally, emotionally, trading skills, because remember, your money is only going to grow as much as you do. But this is a good time to buckle down on that. Let's do the math. Okay, what is it going to take to make that prop firm pay you? If you've never made 10 to 20 grand a month, you're not targeting that. That's stupid. Take whatever your first next level is. Maybe it's a couple grand a month. That's your first target, right? And then your next target is, replacing your income, which you are used to. And once you prove that you can do that, now your psychology and your body and your brain is on board. Now you can go for your 20 grand, your 40 grand, or whatever a month that's going to make you feel financially independent and, independently wealthy.